With Heart and Body Naturals, everyone has the opportunity to earn. We offer a free membership, and you can qualify to earn commissions on the orders placed by your personal members with no personal purchase required. All of our members automatically qualify for the 20% Fast Start bonus, and best of all, it's paid in real time within minutes every single day. Personal purchases are not required to earn this 20% bonus, and there are no caps or limits to how much you can earn every day. Heart and Body Naturals is free to join and no website, membership, or annual fees. Pay for products you want to purchase. Daily commissions that are paid in real time. So you receive daily commissions that are paid in real time. You need to pay your car payment tomorrow? Share the product. You need to pay your cell phone bill tomorrow? Share the product. You need to buy more groceries tomorrow? Share the product. Here's some terms you want to know. Commissionable volume, CV, the internal currency attached to every product. So that's the CV that's tied to the purchase price of every product Heart and Body Naturals offers. When a product is sold, volume is generated, earning, qualification, commissions, and bonuses are directly related to volume. 50% of the commissionable volume on Fast Start bonus eligible orders and retail commission orders will be placed in your binary leg. Fast Start bonus, 20% of commissionable volume CV on wholesale orders.